Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I want to teach you guys how to produce a stretch mark oil that you can apply on your stretch mark for it to fade away. So over here is my Python fat. Python fat is a very popular um, remedy or ingredient for the removal of stretch mark. But in this video I'll be doing a combo. I'll be mixing a lot of ingredients that is known for removing stretch mark. I'll mix them together to form a stretch mark oil. So right now I am blending my Python fat. I want it to be in tiny particles. So once I blend this Python fat, it will bring out the Python fat in a mashed form. So you can use any blender. What I'm using here is a meat mixer. You can use any blender, anything that can blend meat, or any blender. So I have blended my Python fat. So I'm going to add the rest of my other active ingredients for the fading away of stretch mark. Shea butter is very good for this project. We have the shea butter, we have the coconut oil. There's a lot of things you can add. We have the miracle powder. So I'll be mixing a lot of them together for this project so that we can achieve a very good stretch mark removal oil. This recipe is a very good and active recipe because it has a lot of ingredients that wage war on stretch mark. So next I'll be adding my miracle powder. This is my miracle powder. I had dissolved it in hot water. I had dissolved it first in hot water. I boiled it with water. So I'm going to be adding few spoons of miracle powder into this my stretch mark recipe. Miracle powder is also known for the fading away of stretch mark. So I'm making use of miracle powder, shea butter, Python fat, coconut oil and vitamin E oil. These ingredients are very active ingredients and they are very good at battling stretch mark. So if you have stretch mark, you can do well by learning this and producing it at home to remove those stretch mark. So over here I'm adding my fragrance. Fragrance help in the for you to have a good smell because most of these ingredients don't have a good smell. So I'm adding fragrance so that my production will have a good smell. And I'm adding my preservative, which is the sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is a preservative. I'm adding it to this my production so that it will last long. So this is how to produce a stretch mark oil or cream. It's very simple. So if you have issues with stretch mark, you can try this remedy at home. It's very active. It will wage war on your stretch mark and eliminate or fade away that stubborn stretch mark. So don't forget to share this video with people that you think this video will benefit them, especially those young ladies you know that are battling with stretch mark. Share this video with them so that they can have a solution to their stretch mark problems. So you can say this is not difficult to produce, it's very easy. You can produce this at home and use it for any stretch mark skin issues. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be updated by our new videos. We'll be dropping more of these kind of educative videos. So subscribe to this channel so that you'll be updated and you will not miss out on any good and wonderful video like this. These are good remedies for skin problems. So thank you for watching, and also see you next time on our next video. Goodbye.